Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step-by-step how to register on the CoinW exchange through the TradingFinder website. Open the review related to crypto exchanges and after selecting the CoinW exchange, click on Go to Website to enter the main page of the CoinW exchange site. Through the Register option, you enter the account creation page, where you enter an email address that you haven't used to register before, and by selecting this option, you confirm that you have read and accepted all the terms and conditions of the CoinW exchange. You click on it. Please note that in this section you need to enter the recommended referral code. If you don't have a referral code, you can get one from our support team. And finally, you select the Create Account option. At this stage, you need to activate the I'm not a robot option, and a verification code will be sent to your registered email address for email verification. Open the inbox of your registered email address, copy the code from there, and paste it in this section. At this stage, you need to choose a password for your account. As you can see, in this section, it explains that your chosen password must be between 8 and 32 characters and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your desired password, click on the Confirm button. On this page, it notifies you that if you wish to stay logged into your trading account on CoinW exchange for up to 5 days, you should click on the Yes option. In the next step, the page for enabling the password feature on the exchange will open for you. By enabling this feature, you will be able to access your account without a password using methods such as fingerprint or facial recognition and enjoy greater security. By selecting the Add option, you can activate this feature. By choosing Maybe Later, you can do this at a later time, and by selecting Don't Show Again, this prompt will no longer be displayed to you. You are now on the main dashboard of the CoinW exchange, and in upcoming videos we will teach you step by step how to deposit, withdraw, complete identity verification, and upload documents on this exchange. Wishing you success and profitable trades.